Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be covering a number of impressive and ingenious machines from around the world that we think you ought to see. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe for more like it. Are you wondering what this crane is doing with the lake water? Believe me, it's not fishing. This machine is a dragline excavator, built for construction purposes and also widely used for dredging, just like it's doing right now. With these machines, you can load up to 40 to 300 tons in a single spoon, depending upon the machine model you have. Moreover, this crane can be installed on seaports or directly on ships for dredging. The 840 kilowatt motor with powerful winches makes this machine a powerful monster. For the extraction of ornamental stones, proper cutting into large blocks becomes essential, as this technique helps in transportation and reduces the wasting of materials. FANTINI Group has designed some incredible saw machines for that purpose. You can attach them to tractors and cut the stone from any direction you want. Its sharp saw blade never stops on duty. In short, these machines are highly advantageous. The RTD3126 has been a longtime favorite of the wood industry. It is designed to effectively load and unload bundles of logs from trucks or piles. It even comes with the impressive ability to hold 2 bundles at once. It can carry a total of 31 tons, and its modular grapples can be swapped out as needed. You can expect 8,000 operating hours per year, as it can be run 24/7. Even at ambient temperatures ranging from -35 degrees Celsius in snow and ice to positive 40 degrees Celsius in tropical conditions. The eccentric ripper is a hydraulic pumping unit designed with a patented influencing energy accumulation technology system that makes it more productive than any hydraulic hammer on the market in 80% of work applications. Made entirely of anti-wear steel, it is virtually maintenance-free and less noisy than most other digging tools. Moreover, it can be used underwater without any risk of damage and can be adapted to many workplaces. Some of its primary uses are excavation in quarries, construction, ditches, permafrost, tunneling, demolition, recycling, mining, and underwater work. The WESTTECH WOODCRACKER can be mounted on different carrier vehicles, such as forwarders or chipping machines, as well as excavators. Attached to a farm loader, the L-splitter splits thick trunks and simplifies transport. It is incredibly robust and low wear, with very strong, usable wood. The WOODCRACKER is built to serve a cost-to-benefit ratio. These are available in different sizes for the appropriate carry vehicle. The LARUE D97 is one of the biggest snowblowers for snow dump sites. Here you can see the D97 going through a water basin test. The purpose of this test is to find out the engine capacity at full revolution for a period of time, and also to see how the cooling system reacts, as well as the other mechanical components. After the test, the machine is closely examined for leaks, excessive vibration, overheating, loosening, or any other type of problem. With the D97, you can throw snow as far as 180 feet, and in just 1 hour, it can clear 8,500 metric tons of snow. The Panther T14R tracked rotating dump vehicle delivers the fastest speed combined with the highest payload in its class, and sets new benchmarks for efficiency and agility, presenting a proprietary invention called a lateral reset, which effectively enables the user to reset the orientation of the upper and lower parts of the vehicle, front to back, by merely pressing a button. PRINOTH's revolving vehicle allows a constant movement of the upper portion of the vehicle independent of the undercarriage. With a payload capacity of 13,200 kilograms, this rubber-tracked crawler carrier has the maximum payload of any vehicle of this kind in its group. The VP Ground Force Multi-Bar Cropper. This tool is designed to cut concrete columns with a maximum of 8 rebar. Usually it is hung from the dipper arm of an excavator and connected to the excavator's onboard hydraulics for powering. Workers just have to drop it onto a concrete column. Its spear-like blades penetrate the concrete without causing any undesired cracking. In short, the cropper makes breaking a whole lot easier than would otherwise be possible. The HERDER-FERMEX is a stump cutter with a compact design and remote-controlled system. This enables it to be used even at the most inaccessible of places. It is hydraulically driven, allowing the cutting wheel complete freedom of movement. The depth of the cut is about 70 centimeters, and the breadth of the cut is roughly 180 centimeters. The SCT-630H is radio-controlled. This allows you to choose the position with the best view of the work. The SCT-630H has a standard Caterpillar undercarriage with adjustable width and a standard dozer blade. KEMROC is renowned for manufacturing the world's finest cutting tools. The company has now designed a different size of diamond cutter wheel, providing a higher rotational speed of up to 2,000 revolutions per minute. This enables its operators to cut through a variety of materials, including concrete, steel, rock, and fiberglass. The fast speed and type of cutting wheels allows a wide variety of applications and excellent efficiency. Removing vegetation has never been as easy as with the V70 tree mulcher. It's an attachment unit that can be used with any track loader. The V70 is capable of fully mulching trees with a diameter of 6 to 8 inches and will assist you in removing trees with a diameter of up to 14 inches. The cutting tool is a 60-inch diameter high-strength steel blade with no welds. Ships crossing seas have to spend days in brackish water, which often rusts their hulls. Dockmate has created a specialized cleaning truck for washing the hulls of such ships. It features a 32-meter-long arm with a cleaning system on the arm's end. It is operated using a remote controller. Its thoughtfully constructed nozzle arrangement distributes high-pressure water uniformly throughout the whole operating breadth. This expedites the cleaning process while also being environmentally friendlier. It has a water flow rate of up to 94 liters per minute and a max pressure of 3,000 bar.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.